There's still going to be a bit of a wait for the new generation BMW M3 to arrive, but the next best thing is almost here, the M340i. This new model is now the only way to get a 3 Series with an inline-six in the United States, and it comes with standard performance kit for a base price of $54,995, which is nearly $14,000 higher than the base 4-cylinder 330i model. The M340i comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with a healthy 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, and an 8-speed automatic transmission is standard. All-wheel drive is a $2,000 option, and a limited-slip rear differential is standard. Suspension tweaks include stiffer springs, a 0.4-inch lower ride height, and more wheel camber. It's visually differentiated from the 330i thanks to different wheel designs, plenty of M badges, and gray trim for the mirrors, grille, and other exterior pieces. Interior tweaks include an M steering wheel, aluminum trim, and sports seats. There are plenty of options available for the M340i, including a $1,500 package that adds 19-inch wheels and staggered with summer tires, various driving assistance packages, and luxury options including heated seats and steering wheel, a power trunk lid, and laser headlights. With all the boxes checked, we loaded up an M340iX drive past $69,000, which is a bit crazy considering that the outgoing M3 starts at $68,445. BMW says the M340i arrives in the US this spring, so look for it to hit dealerships at some point over the next few months.